My name is Sana Nasir. Before coming to this college, I have done my BCom, and now I'm a part of Jackson family, and I'm pursuing PGDM in HR specialization.
Sana, what happened? You okay?
या क्या बताऊँ? I'm not able to understand anything like what to choose. कहाँ क्या करूँ आगे? कुछ समझ ही नहीं रहा है.
यार आई थिंक मैं मुझसे ज़्यादा बेटर जवाब ना देखो सीनियर्स दे सकते हैं और रिसेंटली दे आर हियर दे आर फॉर द प्लेसमेंट्स सो इफ यू वांट टू आस्क देयर all of the questions you can directly catch hold of them and get the answers. Yeah.
अभी?
Yes.
ठीक है. चलो बाय बाय.
देखो देख मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है बट
बेकार ही इतना टेंशन में थे ब्रो.
हे सना यू सीम अ बिट स्ट्रेस्ड. क्या हुआ, सब ठीक?
Yeah, it's like we have so many options and I'm so confused to like what to choose in my career.
आयुष हम लास्ट ईयर उसी सेम स्टेट में थे यार. मतलब मैं तो अभी उस बारे में सोचता हूँ. I mean it makes me laugh the Jackson curriculum that they have made and the career track that they have. I think it really helps the student to explore many options and get into that in deciding which job role has really got you interest.
So where do you want to see yourself first of all? Where your interest lies in?
I'm still very confused. That's what I told. No, I'm very confused what to choose.
Are
There
you
are
good
so
with
many
Are you good
options.
with numbers, or are you good in like making friends easily? Are you good with people management? Where do you see? I mean, you can do well.
I think I'm good in both. I'm good in socializing. I'm good in number. That is why I'm confused. Like where should I go? If I'm good with people, I could have chosen HR. But if I'm good with numbers, I could have chosen finance. Now I'm good with both. So I don't know what to choose.
So in that scenario, I cannot suggest you to take some major and minors, but you can take anything like major in marketing or
See about
minor in
that
finance.
point I'd like to add a pointer here because like you said about major and minor, right? That's why we have the dual major option, or we do have the dual major option. So let's say if you're interested in marketing as well as finance, so you can go for both, right? And at the same time you can also take a minor as well. Let's say if you're interested in taking two majors, or if you're interested in two domains, so you can take two majors. At the same time you can take a minor as well. That things then I would like to share my experience as well. Like I've been working as social media marketing, and that really got my interest into that, because when I got my hands dirty into that industry, I got to know that how much I'm interested in that. How will I be able, because everyone aspires to be someone, right? So I aspire to be a great
until and
marketer.
unless you do it, yeah.
Correct. So unless you do that, because that's what the biggest takeaway here is, that you get your hands dirty, you work at different companies, different internships, that will get you hands-on experience. तेरे को पता चलेगा कि तेरा interest कहाँ पर lie कर रहा है.
You can go to some professor also. They can suggest you very well. They are very helpful.
Yeah, I think I'll try talking to professors here for the
Yeah, you can go
mentoring
to
part.
Professor Marguni. She will help you.
ठीक है, चलो फिर मैं निकलती हूँ.
मिलते हैं.
And very congratulations
Thank you.
for your
Oh, thank you so
placement.
much, and Sana, don't forget to smile, all right?
ठीक है, चलो
Bye.
मिलते हैं.
Bye, bye.
Bye. At a certain point, I knew what I wanted, but I was in a confusion. Ki what should I go with this or should I not? And at a point, I thought of only blindly following the internet, blindly following the trends. But after some time, I got to understand that being surrounded with experienced people, being surrounded with people who know about the industry, who know about us and like where should we go, that helped me a lot. So because of those people, I could choose what is best for me. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Hi Sana, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good, but I just had a conversation with Vikrant and Ayush, and I heard that you mentored them last year, and now you see they are placed at a very good company. So I wanted a mentoring session from you because I'm very confused what to choose and what not to choose. in the
Okay.
career.
So, Sana, have you already chosen your career track?
No, not really. When I saw things like I'm good at this, and all, but outcome is not there.
Yeah. So, Sana, choice of a career track, it's a completely individual decision. So, I can give you certain pointers, but then you need to do a lot of introspection and really understand what you'd like to do, and that will help you to kind of make a choice. But given that Jaxom also has got a lot of these interventions which help the students through the process of introspection and so on. For instance, we have this self discovery which you people can do through the Outbound Leadership Lab. After that, again, another intervention which Jaxom has is this preparation of this individual development plan. So there also they try to identify different strengths and weaknesses, and how good you are, how weak you are, or maybe you're average. So once you identify those aspects, you'll be put in red, yellow, or green, and then again that will tell you how many greens you have in which aspect. So these things I think should give you a good idea on what are your strengths and weaknesses, and then when you go back and think about things, what is it that you really like to do. We have this RIRFP program where the faculty will mentor the groups and you will work with some industry person. They will help you to do a live project, an actual project. So that will also give you some good experience. And lastly, we have our 16-week IIP program, the industry internship program, where you will join the internship, and that will provide. So all this preparation will lead to that, and that 16 weeks, if you get a good IIP, it can convert to a PPO also. So I think all these interventions should hopefully help you prepare yourself well for the industry.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna focus on all your points, go
Great.
back and work on myself.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
really happy, Sana. Anytime, later also, please do come back and keep updating me, because I would love to know how you're progressing. And I'll be happy to see you wherever you want to be. So, all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
Sana.
ma'am. Have a
Take
good
care.
day.
Same
Bye.
to you.
So when I went to Madhuri ma'am, we had a very good conversation, and she was perfect. She was like, she gave me all the ideas, all the things which the college provides us. And before, I didn't know the importance of these curriculum in our college. When ma'am explained me deeply, like how the T-shape works, how the 5 steps works, and how should we implement the same thing in our career, it was great. And then because of ma'am, she explained so thoroughly, and then I had to go back. I sat and I thought about myself and what should I need. Before meeting ma'am, before meeting my seniors, I thought going with the trend would benefit me. And end of the day, we only see a good placement and a good money. But according to me, good placement was following the trend, following blindly with the crowd. But I think after talking to all these people, they showed me the right path, and you have to listen to ourselves, our likes. So according to ma'am was like, you have to listen what you want. So I sat down, I thought what would be better for me. So for me, according to me, talking to people, connecting to people, having a good crowd nearby, and then that was the best option I got. So, and even I was very good with numbers, but when I learned about all these learnings, so I decided to go with the HR career path, and now today I'm here with the HR specialization after all the conversation with my fellow friends, seniors, and my mentor, Madhuri ma'am.
My name is Madhuri. So I'm an assistant professor in the digital business and analytics area at Jaxom, and it's been close to a year since I joined. So I joined immediately after completing my PhD from the IIM Calcutta. So prior to joining my PhD, I have around 11 years of experience in analytics across different domains. So I have worked for FMCG as well as the banking domains. So after working for some time, I wasn't feeling very satisfied. So I decided to pursue my PhD, and then after that, I've joined here.
I was so insecure about myself that I won't reach anywhere. I don't know anything about this corporate world. So I thought of ending nothing. So after coming to this B school, I had the opportunity to upskill. And the one thing I would suggest for the younger people would be, the skills would benefit you everywhere. The only benefit is like you are having the best skills, the correct skills, and the accurate skill for the correct place would be the suggestion I would give. So not only focusing on the bookish knowledge, you should also have a practical experience with everything. So skills would benefit you everywhere. So now after studying in this B school, I am full ready to go to the corporate world and rock it there, because I am ready with my skills, and back then the skill level was 0 and now it's like boosted up.